Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log into your Discord account with your QR code or by scanning QR code. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guide. In order to log into your Discord account, by scanning it, what you need to do is, first thing you need to tap on the try bar icon located in the top right. After that, on the other side, you need to click on the profile picture right at the bottom. Next page, under user settings, you'll be able to see an option as scan QR code. You need to click on it. So after that, keep your device in a correct position and then scan the QR code. Once you scan it, next interface will have a pop-up, and on that page you need to confirm whether it's you or it's somebody trying to log into your account. In case you want to log into your Discord account, then you need to click on yes, log me in. After that, you've successfully logged into your Discord account using your QR code or by scanning it, and that is how you can log into your Discord account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.